Hi YouTube, Dylan here, and in today's how to draw video, I'm going to show you how to draw one of the most famous DC superheroes, the Atom. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper, let's get started. Like most human heads, we start with a circle shape for the top, and then the half of a hexagon shape for the jawline. And remember to draw lightly at first, until you get your lines just the way you want them. And then we need to put in the center line to know where the middle of his face will go, and a line across for where the eyes will rest. And then right above it, we are going to draw a bit of a square shape to know for his upper body. And then we'll draw kind of a half circle shape for his lower body. Then kind of make a moon shape under it. That's going to indicate his belt. And then you put kind of a triangle, sort of a triangular shape for where his legs start. And then put two soft triangles. One will be a little smaller and one will be a lot bigger. And then you're going to put like a half oval and another oval here for to know where his arms will go. Those are just guides. We've got our basic building blocks on the Atom now. Now it's time to draw his face, beginning with the eyes. And his eyes, he's wearing a cowl, kind of like the Flash and Batman's cowl. So we draw these half circles, and they will be left white with no other details inside them. And then we're going to draw his nose, which starts at this eye and then goes down and then straight on the left with these two curves for the nostrils of his nose. And then right here, we'll draw his mouth. He's not exactly going to be happy, so we'll kind of like put a stretched upside down U shape and a regular stretched U shape for his lower lip. Now what we do is you draw an upside down V shape, and then put V shapes on both sides of this for his mask line. It's kind of like the Flash's mask. And then you'll draw these side lines for the side of his mask. And then we'll define the lower part of his chin. And then we'll bring the rest of his mask up like this. And then we need to draw the logo on his mask, which will be these tall ovals, and two of them across from the middle oval will be angled. Looks like an atomic logo. If you know your science, you'll know what you'll understand what this represents. And then we'll draw his ears on both sides. They're like these curved half squares or rough-ended rectangles. And then we got to get the inside of the ear, which will go like this. And then we'll draw his shoulders, which will curve down like this. And now we need to draw his neckline, which is going to go like this. And then we'll draw this curved shape for his upper rib line. And before we get to the rest of his body, we need to draw his upper fist. He's going to look like he's running. So we draw one finger like this, and then put a fold line right there. Here's the upper part of it. And then right here, we draw the 3 more fingers. 1, 2, and 3. All like this. And then we'll draw his thumb. And then we need to draw his forearm. So we'll make this kind of sort of egg shape. This is the glove line. And then we need to draw his elbow behind it, which goes like this. And put his upper arm right there. This is just his body. And then we'll kind of do a similar thing with right here. And then we'll get the lower part. And then we'll draw his other arm. And then we need to draw his fist, starting with the thumb. His hand is turned, so you don't draw his fingers. You only see one of them. Here's the fold line of the finger. One fist, the front of the fist, and then you draw a curve and another curve. It creates almost like a seagull shape. And then you put the glove line right there. So we got his upper arms, we got his arms and his upper body. Now we need to draw his lower body. So we do this kind of shape right here. Get this side of his body. And then this will be where his belt will be. And then we need to draw the ab lines. Many superheroes gotta have abs. Then we need to draw a color separator. So you draw this upside down V shape that starts right here and then goes all the way up here like this. That's the upper body. Now we got to draw his belt. Here's the lower part of his belt. And then put a big circle in the middle for the belt buckle. And then just like what we did with the cowl, we're going to draw the logo, which is 3 different ovals. One goes in the middle, and the rest go in angled downward in opposite directions, like this. Now we need to draw his lower part of his body, and then we draw the some wrinkle lines that go like this. And now we draw his legs. We'll start with the very detailed leg where it's bent back. Looks like he's running. So here's the lower part of his leg. This is the knee. And this is the upper thigh. And then draw kind of a diamond shape for his foot. And then, now we're going to finish this off with the straight leg that's going forward. Here's a sideways V for his knee. And here's the back part of his knee. Then we draw the back side of his leg. And then we're going to make a curved diamond for his calf. And then right here, you'll draw an upside down V for his boot, like we've done with most superheroes, including Superman and Batman. And then you draw 4 different straight lines. 1 for the foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there you go. That's the Atom. Write your name on it, hang it on your refrigerator. Hope you had fun. If you did, like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye.